In this video, I'm going to show you how we can schedule these rooms. So first of all, we've done the rooms, replaced the rooms and the room tags in the previous videos, and I've done also the upper floor uh, room placing and tag as well. So you can do that with this using the same method. You gotta make sure you turn on VV imported categories and then the sample first load to look at the different room names. Alright, now how do you schedule the rooms basically? Under schedules and quantity, right click, new schedules and quantities, and then scroll down to define rooms and press OK. In the fields, all we need to do is choose the room name, the room area, and I'm gonna choose another parameter called occupancy and level, and press OK. I'm gonna get a schedule straight away, showing me the level, starting with the name, area, and the level there. The occupancy parameter is still basically empty at this stage. Now, let's look at grouping these areas per floor first of all. So under sorting and grouping, click edit and sort by level and check the header. So level ascending header and press OK. So now I've separated these rooms by level. What if I want to put them in alphabetic order? So again under sorting, then by room name ascending and press OK without the header. Don't check that box. Alright, what if I want to get the total of these areas? So I can go to sorting again and press grand totals, totals only, and under appearance, or actually formatting on top, choose area and click on calculate totals. So that's gonna add the areas, or the sum of the areas in here. Now what if I wanna choose only the area that are occupied for DA purposes? So I have to basically create parameter here telling Revit whether this room is occupied or no. So this one I will just add actually occupied, and the entrance is occupied, and the garage is non-occupied. Then after putting these two fields in there, I can actually select from these fields straight away. So the bedrooms are occupied, corridors are occupied, master. Now if you have already created rooms for the balconies, for example, using room separation lines, you can put them as non-occupied in here. Alright, so I've got only the garage that's not occupied. If I want to remove it from the list and get a total of the occupied space area, I use filter by occupancy, and then equals occupied, which means I'm gonna keep all the I'm gonna keep only the rooms that have the occupancy parameter value occupied, and press OK, and that's gonna get rid of that for me. So now I want to hide these two columns in here. I can do it manually using right click and hide columns, or I can go to formatting, select occupancy and level and choose as hidden fields, and I can use that later on my schedule, on my sheet, sorry. And under appearance, you can basically choose whether you want a blank row before or after. So that's the blank row in here, and then you can choose the font and all the other settings, appearance settings in here as well. And that concludes this video.